wherever the coronavirus lurks, it must be eradicated to prevent spread and infection. Research about the virus suggests that the microbe is airborne and can exist on surfaces. Take a close look at the latest findings surrounding the coronavirus and an all-encompassing strategy that can help target both the air and potentially contaminated surfaces. Exposure through aerosols. A handful of published research heavily asserts the coronavirus is airborne. A 2020 study published in the U.S. National Library of Medicine issued an 8 out of 9 plausibility score, based on combined evidence that the coronavirus spreads through aerosols or droplets present in the air. The scientists cited several examples of air samples containing the coronavirus. These samples were taken in busy locations where human contact is common, including commercial buildings and hospitals. This is a concern, as an estimated 40% of individuals infected with the virus aren't aware that they are releasing contaminated droplets. Additionally, the microbes can stay in the air for 3 hours, according to a recent study published in the New York English Journal of Medicine. Based on these studies, without a doubt the coronavirus can spread through tiny contaminated droplets released in the air from an infected person. Coronavirus and surfaces. But what happens when a coronavirus-filled droplet lands on the surface, such as a handrail, elevator button, desks, or phones? Does the virus die upon contact with the surface? Latest NIH research points out that the virus continues to live for a certain period of time, ranging between 2 to 3 days for plastic and stainless steel. This period varies depending on the type of surface, humidity, ventilation, and temperature. In the previous 2020 study, scientists cited finding coronavirus on surface samples taken from a sink, faucet, and shower handle of an apartment that was infected with the microbe. The researchers carefully highlighted that it is possible for contamination to start with the air and then spread to surfaces as the droplets land on various objects in the surrounding area. Addressing both risks with UV sanitation. A comprehensive sanitation strategy that targets the air and surfaces is key for full protection against the coronavirus. Larson Electronics offers UVC sanitation equipment that cleans the air and surfaces without abrasive cleaning liquids. Our solutions minimize contact with contaminated areas while maximizing disinfection through powerful UVC sanitation lamps. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.